What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Funko Pop Ohana video. Yes, so as you guys can see, it's late night. Sometimes, we have used to be 7-Eleven. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. 7-Eleven. Love 7-Eleven because they're so cheap and they had all kind of good stuff, like the new stuff you could try. But no, we don't have it. We have one, but it's all the way. Well, I wouldn't say it's that far. It's not walking distance. So sometimes we get lazy. We be like, yeah, bruh, the thing stays so far. I don't walk. But, it's a short bus ride, so I don't know why I'm complaining. I just wanted to be right there. But, anyway, I went to my Aloha Mart. I just wanted to pick up, a snack or something. But then, I'm not even that hungry because I ate dinner. I have found this Volcano Musibi. Volcano! How is it a volcano Musibi? I don't see any rest of. All I see is furikake. That's what we call it in Hawaii. I don't know if you guys call it different. But it's you can sprinkle it on your rice. And yeah, it's oh, here is my dog again. But shush. You will get some, but it might be too hot for you. And to add, flavor to the heat, we got this, which we already know what it tastes like because I eat this on a daily basis because I love these. And my dog is begging. I don't know why. Well, because I do know why. But yeah. Anyways, this is called a spam musubi. Now you can make any variety of spam musubis. You can make spam. You can make spam and eggs. One day I'll do a thing making spam musubis. They're really easy to make. They're really delicious also. And they're good for mostly snacking, But yeah, if you guys are not a big fan of spam, you can use hot dog or whatever meat you like. Because there's the chicken katsu ones they made. What else have they made? Chicken katsu, teriyaki. I don't know what else, but for me myself, it's just a snack. For me, so. I really like it. I really enjoy spam musubi a lot. But it's just a snack for me. It's not filling or anything. But enough chit chat. Well, our drink is dog keeps looking at me, as you guys can see. My drink is Diet Pepsi. I love Diet Pepsi. I know it's not good for you. But yeah, 7-Eleven used to have tons of new stuff that you can try, I used to be so excited. I'm like, where am I going to find this new stuff? Because Walgreens hardly have any new stuff. Sometimes. But sometimes, and as you guys can see, she's sniffing around the riverbank. But yeah, we are going to try this out. And, hold on, let me take my yummy. Okay, let's dig into this bugger. And be like, hey, how's it, brah? You get one spam musubi. The other person be like, what? Bruh, you get one spam musubi out of your pocket. Oh, how is it? Long time no see. How is it? I don't know. So apparently, I asked the lady, is it hot? She's like, yeah. I'm like, okay. I'll be the taste test of that See, if you're lying, I come back, I get my refund, okay? I get my refund. I come back, I eat the whole thing, I get my refund, okay? Or I return half, okay? And you give me my refund. Because you told me it was hot. I think my tolerance of hot stuff kind of like built up. It doesn't really smell that hot. Oh, this is what it looks like. Un spam Musibi. Oh, well, maybe it might be hot then. Wonder what kind of sauce is this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay. Here, let me give you guys some. It's not even hot. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna change my view. Blah. I'm gonna give this lady a change for her money. Girl, this ain't hot.
I'm really mad at it. Please don't start fighting. I'm a very ugly eater. That's not no.
We're gonna eat a couple of hot Cheetos. Go eat the rice. My dog don't like rice for some reason. I think I'm gonna do like a vegetable and ASMR with her, but I don't think she likes vegetables or fruits. But if you guys never had Cheetos, these are good. My dog actually likes hot Cheetos. Right? Oh, she's not eating it today. Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you guys, share with my, my fam out there who doesn't live here about spam Musibi. Maybe I'll do it's Musibi. Musibi. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more of these little taste tests from Hawaii on Instagram, she has all her information on her page, and please go check her out. I'm trying to get her to 1K. Right now she's currently at almost to 500. Like I think she has 5 more to 500 or something like that. So if you guys don't know Just J35, she paints with her feet. She's a foot artist. She makes stickers. She might have some more shirts. She got it. But check out her content. She collects Funko Pops. What else does she do? So if you guys want to, check her out, if you guys like me, if you want to go check her out, she's my best friend. Please, please, please just have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.